I guess as we continue to goof around up there, there would be an increasing likelihood of that happening.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's lighten the mood here a little bit. You remember yesterday? You're already doing it. You're already smiling and laughing. Don't you remember what you were?
Well, lightening the mood.
Don't you remember? Well, why?
Someone got injured.
Remember what you were talking about yesterday?
What's that?
We were talking about the guys who stole the tank, and you were saying how like laughing at somebody else's misfortune.
Oh, Schadenfreude?
Yeah, but I realized like it has to be the person can't be really impacted. Like they can't.
They need to be okay.
Yeah, the reason it's funny is because they're okay.
Yeah.
Like I don't know if that word, and maybe you should look it up so we can be clear. I don't think it encompasses something actually negative happening to the pleasure derived from by another person's misfortune. Okay, maybe not. I don't know. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe it can be any misfortune.
Well, I saw this.
Wait, go back. Hold on. Go back to that where you just were for a second, please. The experience of pleasure, joy, or self-satisfaction that comes from learning or witnessing the troubles, failures, or humiliation of another. It is borrowed from a word from German with no direct translation. Okay. Yeah, maybe it applies to everything. But I tend to think the only time I feel comfortable with it is if the person is okay. And so that's what's important about this clip is that she's okay.
Okay.
But anyway, Joy Behar took a fall in front of a live audience on The View. And you can, here they come. Yeah, you're going to have to not show too much of it, but they come out. It's very professional. They wave.
She tries to take a seat.
There's a lot of waving. There's a lot of cheering going on.
Seems like typical.
Yeah, and then I want you to hit play. Nope, right now. Hit play, because this is what we get to see. Bang!
Oh, so you don't actually see the fall.
No, we just see sort of the aftermath here. And let's run it back. Okay, here we go. They show the crowd, bang, and then everybody scrambles. What happened here? And it's sometimes with these falls you can get injured. I don't think that she. I don't know if she got injured or not. I don't think.
I guess
so.
because she was.
Wow,
old,
she's 70. She's 79 years old, so
Exactly,
she totally could have got injured.
Yes.
She regained her composure. Whoopi was like, "These chairs, they're the worst. They move." That's what happens every time. Have you ever seen like a family member, like an older family member, they missed the chair or something, and everyone's like, "Those chairs."
Everybody's angry.
Yeah, those are the worst chairs.
How would the chair feel?
Stupid, stupid chair. It's like everyone else figured out the chair's just fine, but it's like these chairs are the worst.
And then an uncle kicks it.
Yeah, breaks it actually, takes it out to the dumpster. Stupid chair. Yeah, these chairs move with the twirling seats. I don't know. Do they have to sit in those chairs? Can they get a comfortable chair like we have?
They're more in like a round table.
But why do they have to be? Do they have to be?
I mean, they built this set. They're not going to.
I know. I don't know why it has to be that format. I don't want to be on one of those stools for that long. I'm trying to formulate my thoughts. I need to be,
comfortable.
Not thinking about any of these things. Right. I don't need to be 79 years old falling down, right?
No.
Ooh.
So.
That one's rough.
No, I think she's okay. Well, you're very concerned. I don't think she's injured.
No. There was a controversial thing that happened last week about during the Ukraine war. She said that she wanted to take a trip there, and then it got canceled because of the war, and then she got backlash.
She was trying to go to Italy, and she's like, "Now my trip to Italy is going to be screwed up," and everyone's like, "What did you say?"
And this is
that's what you're waiting for?
Yeah, that's weird, bizarre thing to say.
Oh, she finally took the trip we've been waiting for, not the one she's been waiting for. Will, you're a nasty guy. You're a nasty guy, Will. I can't believe you typed something like that. You're a nasty guy, Will. But anyway, yeah, I think she's fine.